Right, Kea, so once you've got the basic understanding of where H came from, in uh, H in terms of R, you are finding the volume of the cylinder. Now that's the area of one circle times by the height. Now the important thing is the radius is 2r, so this capital R in our formula has to be replaced by 2r. And the height is going to be replaced by 3 over 4r. Now the reason this is important is because you've got a ratio between what you've written down correctly, the volume of the hemisphere, and the volume of the cylinder. Now it now just becomes a problem involving algebra, expanding and simplifying both sides. If you do that to the left, you're left with something quite nice. It's just 2 over 3 pi r cubed. But if we expand the bracket with the 2r in it, you have to square the 2 to make 4, square the r to get r squared. There's a 3r there as well, and there's a 4 on the bottom, and I've forgotten about the pi. So there's the pi. We're now going to divide both sides of the ratio by different numbers, and it's going to simplify. So the pi is, we divide by the pi. We're going to divide by r cubed, or by r 3 times in a row. The 4 on the top and the bottom of the fraction are going to cancel, and we simplify our ratio down so there's no r's in it and there's no pi's in it. And we're left to 2/3 to 3. That's the ratio, and that's the ratio 1 to m. So we're going to try and make 1 appear on the left-hand side by timesing both sides by 3 and then dividing by 2. And there we have it. 9 over 2, or 4.5, is the value m has to be. That last stage is a case of cancelling on each side of a ratio, which you're allowed to do. It just so happens that you're cancelling r cubed and pi. It's not so easy, so don't beat yourself up over it. But I'm expecting flowers next time I see you in the classroom, or chocolates at least.